99% of people who talk about machine learning and AI make it way more complicated than it needs to be. All you need to realize is that every machine learning and AI solution is an algorithm. And I know you might think, I don't know what an algorithm is. But what no one is telling you is, you already use algorithms every single day. An algorithm is nothing but a step-by-step process to achieve a goal or accomplish a task. A set of instructions and a goal. A cooking recipe is similar to an algorithm. Preheat the oven to a certain temperature. Put your food in for a certain amount of time. Remove it. Check if it's done. If it's done, eat it. If it's not, put it in for 5 minutes and repeat. This simple if-then logic is a step-by-step process to achieve a goal. The key difference between simplistic if-then algorithms and machine learning and AI algorithms is that machine learning and AI are intelligent algorithms. They still have a goal, but instead of being told what to do at every single step, they're told how to decide what to do. Still not sure what that means? That's okay. But what if I told you that you've been using machine learning since the late 1990s? I'm talking about your email spam filter. That's an intelligent algorithm. It has a goal, find spam, and it has steps for how to decide an email is spam or not, such as looking for how often certain words like Nigerian prince occur in the body of the email, and then making a probabilistic decision about whether that email is probably spam or probably not spam. It doesn't mean that the intelligent algorithm is always right, but a human coder is not telling it how to treat every possible combination of words in an email. The algorithm is deciding for itself. Spam filters are more proof that almost everything around us is an algorithm or can be thought of an algorithm. You can even think of all your business processes as algorithms. And when you do this, it becomes a whole lot easier to think of how to evolve your business with AI and machine learning. Because now you're not doing something brand new, you're just changing an existing if-then algorithm into an intelligent algorithm. Did you realize that algorithms are everywhere around us? And are you getting those emails from the prince too? If you think he's legit, let me know in the comments.